Hi! In front of me is TECNO Spark 10 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down right away to access Google section and click on Autofill. Then Autofill with Google and passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, click on this gear next to Password Manager and make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. After that, just log into one of your apps and click on Save in Google Password Manager pop-up in order to add it. This way, your password will appear over here. Now to add it from those settings, click on this little plus next to Search Passwords and enter all of those informations. You can input your website or click on Select App and tap on the desired one, like Facebook. Then enter username or email, password, and some helpful notes. When you finish, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully added to Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!